Okay, today I want to talk about how the social network and how can, a lot of people spend too much time in social network, and this can damage our relationship from the real world. I mean, this is for students, for us, this is very common to use the internet because give us information about the real world, what is happening in our countries, something like that. But I think this is also very dangerous for us because, for example, I have some of my family. It's are using this kind of network socially, like Match.com, and she's dating some guy from Peru. And my family and us, we are not agree with this because we don't know who is in the other side of the screen. I mean, she's a girl. She's been dating this person for like 6 months, and this guy asked her to go to Peru, and they can they can meeting. They're gonna have a meeting. But I think this is dangerous because I don't know if the person it's a good person or it's not. So that's why the internet give us information about the real world, but also it's dangerous for us. This one reason I don't like to use social networks, something like that, because it's dangerous. Another reason it's because the internet make people more like I don't care to other people. For example, here in the classroom, we all the time the professor give us the class, and some of us we are testing or checking the Facebook, Twitter, or email, and this is not good because a lot of people. I mean, the professor he prepared his speech, and we are like give you like a bad answer for him. You know, it's like it's not good for him and it's not good for us too, because we don't want to learn something. Another reason I don't like to network social and like Facebook. I use Facebook, but I don't like it because a lot of people wants to show off in internet. Like they want to show off if they have a new car, if they buy a new clothes, or if they have a new girlfriend, something like that. I mean, I don't care. I mean, it's some friends are my friends, but I don't care what they're doing. I prefer to have face-to-face communication. You know, it's much better because this is traditional. You know, our ancestors they make this communication very simple, and this is good because we can, with face-to-face communication, we can trust to other people. We can be more comfortable talking, and we can know if the other person is fake, something like that. So I think that is better.